everything's fitted. So battery cables will just run down the side. Yeah, so that's easy. We can put the battery there. So there's I can always shorten them.
Yeah.
It's easy for me to put a crimper on them, eh?
Yep.
And dash.
So the old one runs straight up and then up the middle there with that this piece of string so you can pull it through.
Oh yes, so I can actually. I wonder if mine is long enough now.
I mean, right, it actually right to the front and back.
I can always make a longer one if I need to. Right. I'll run that through.
Sure, under the floor here.
Yeah, that's right. That's kind of another one. It's through the side
Yeah.
and up along to the key.
Yeah.
Right, and that gets it away from that steering and stuff. There'll be room under there for the box. Looks like this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I reckon, Daniel, the box up and behind that key, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Up in here. That's away from those steering shafts.
Yeah.
The cables and chains and stuff.
Yeah.
Right, let's put some stuff in the boat. And a bilge pump. Oh, that's easy for me to get to.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can build a little loom. Oh, that's your cable?
Yep.
Shit. Like it's almost. I wonder if I can go out direct and get it to that box in one piece. That looks pretty good in there. Up under here. And it's going to sit up there like that. And the wires run out to all the accessories, all the controls. And one big wire plugs in. And I think the dash is going to sit up there like that. Looks pretty good.
I think it's on there. I think it's slightly different length. I think they're shorter ones.
That doesn't look good. Just leave it on the trailer. We'll run it up on the trailer to start with.
Okay.
Just leave it hooked, chained up. We'll just start it. I want to warm it. We'll check it and give it a run up. So the blue boat is back. Everything's been put together on it properly, finished. Overflow bottles, air filters, new intakes. I made a couple of little blues. We had to diagnose why the fuel pumps weren't switching. And I just got the wires around the wrong way, but it's good to go. We'll run it up and check it, and check everything's doing what it should. I'll grab the laptop, eh? Laptops and water, great combination, eh? How many hours of work? Was putting it and putting everything together.
On and off for a couple of years.
Yeah, but as far as since we fitted the engine, how long have you taken?
Oh, to put through this?
All the rest of it.
Oh, probably weeks worth of work, I suppose.
Yeah. Looks good. It looks like it's meant to be in there though now.
So that small engine was 100 and something.
I've known farmers that have
90
tested them on the sludge ponds.
One step above that.
You got a little bit nicer than that.
Yeah, I got own 6
Oh, there's
hectares
a lot
myself.
of weeds, Dad. You might get a bit of weed up there, though.
Yeah, there's a bit of weed floating around.
I might go move that.
Found the fuses and the little Microtech dash. Can you see that all right in there? The dash, can you see that all right tucked up in there?
Yeah, it's good there.
Yep. So you've just got carpet to put in it next?
Yep.
Bit of marine carpet?
And the paint.
Call it good? Awesome. It's much quieter with those exhaust going into the water. Did I just see you move your pedal?
Yeah.
It's a little bit sticky. Okay, it's something for you to do. That's your job.
Remember to put the heads on.
Keep going back. Right, just off we go, nice and gentle. Yep, go on the plane. How's it handling?
Goes round.
It just feels a little bit back here, a little bit floating, but I can't see what you're doing up there. Hey, water temp sitting good too? Yep. I'd like to know, when it was actually driving, it was sitting pretty good. It's dropped to 92 here.
Yeah. What should it be at?
Around there is just fine. I didn't bring a cooler thermostat. I've got a cooler thermostat if we wanted, but I'm happy with that there.
What sort of RPM do these engines like?
So your 3.5 is fine, and it's doing just on 50 k's. So it's like 3.7. It'll go to, it should go to 5. You didn't actually do full throttle, eh?
No, I'm here.
So I don't know what it's going to do full throttle. We'll just pop it up on the beach. We'll swap some people around, someone else can go for a drive. Better take the big guy for a drive, and then you better take your family for a drive. Give it a shakedown. I'll just open the bonnet, I'll just give it a check. There's no leaks. Looks good to me. What? Goes well. Goes nice. You're about to find out, because I'm just going to pull a log file out of it, and you're going to go for a drive. Coming ashore. That's good. Yeah, a little bit of slop in the steering. So a little bit of slop in there. Apart from that, goes good. Where are you off to this week?
Taupo, down near Cherry.
Taupo, yep. Just see how it goes. I'm happy. Engine wise, I'm sweet.
Yep.
Keeping on that temp. I've got a thermostat that'll drop the temp 10 degrees if we need to. But this was on the, this heat exchanger was on the Granada, eh?
That's right. Oh no,
it was on this one.
Yep.
Hmm.
But yeah, who knows?
Yeah, it's in the ballpark. I wouldn't want it to be any smaller.
Yeah, I cleaned it all out, had a bit of weed.
Hey, straight throw your family and you go for a drive?
Yeah.
We're going to go for a bit of a paddle. This working life's hard, eh? This work stuff. Woo!
Yep.
Hard work. Yeah, you're dairy farming, you're mechanic, and this is hard work. Let's go jet boating.
That's right.
I like it. I'm happy. Overall, that's come up lovely, hasn't it? Absolutely lovely.
Yeah,
good stuff. I'm happy. So yeah, that's why you were sitting out in the water, because you had no steering.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, good. Cool, good. That's what it's here. Yep. That's what it's all about, the shakedown. So probably when it comes to it, when it goes on the trailer, you can check all that. Yeah. But hey, grouse gets it boogied when you took off.
Yeah.
That gets out of the water nice. What? Are you ready to go on holiday? I think it was much better to do it today than just the day before you're going on holiday, because that would have been a disaster. And look, he's stressed out as his day of work, isn't he? Look at him.
First day back, gotta ease into it.
Righto, I'm happy. It's good.
You get about 55 kg over it.
No, that was $4,000. So 4,000 RPM
4,000 RPM.
is 56 k's. I wasn't keen to go any faster because the steering felt funny. And I'm glad I didn't, because the steering fell off.
I was just loose, you just had to tighten up the cable. changes off the thing, yeah.
That's not so good,
Nah, so you're going to get 65 k's out of it? That'll be plenty. 56, oh, it might only be 62, but close enough. That's fast enough for this boat. That'll be way fast enough. And it's a sweetheart at $4,000.
Yeah.
3.5 to 4, it's a honey.
That's your sweet spot, that sort of 2.5 to 4.5. The only raised to get is 5.5.
Yeah.
After that,
You,
they're not very effective.
yeah, mate. Good.